Hi, welcome back, or Shanita. Hello, I'm BubbleDust. If you have watched my previous videos, you'll know I do not usually have short hair and a fringe. So yeah, that happened. I decided to cut my hair myself at home and also give myself a fringe. This bit of hair is like, I tried to add layers, right? And that did not work. So now I've got this bit which I'm like trying to hide because it just does not work. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video because purely I just want to do a video of me doing my makeup. That's what I felt like doing, and I couldn't think of any other videos to do apart from a get ready with me. So we're doing that. If you have any ideas of videos you want me to do or you want to see, then please put them down in the comment section below. I'm just going with the Beam Dream, what's it called? Beam Dream Face and Body Illuminating Primer. That's a long name. It's from Revolution. But yeah, I cut myself a fringe at the beginning of January 2020 and I then started pinning it back, and recently I've wanted to change up my hair. If you've watched my hair dyeing videos, then you will have seen that I have dyed my hair to change it up, which to be honest I've sort of done that a bit backwards because usually you would probably cut your hair and then dye it, but I dyed my hair like twice and then decided to cut most of it off, which isn't very cost effective because obviously I've just used and wasted a whole load of dye on a whole load of hair that I just decided to cut off, but it's the way I did it. And yeah, oh great. And it was literally, I dyed my hair, I did that video, it was like a week and then I decided to cut it off. My first thoughts were, I'm gonna leave it for a month, have this idea in my head, I'll leave it for a month, sleep on it, all that. Nope, a week later I come back and cut, like literally chop several inches of my hair off. Because I am slightly impulsive when it comes to my hair and I don't really think before I do it. I just think that will look cool, it looks cool in my head, let's do it. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. I don't really need to do anything like around my forehead now. I want to do with my channel. Like obviously the dream is to be big, influencer, stuff like that. But my main thing is not to do, I don't want to influence people to buy products, like buy this, do it like this. I want to influence people to have like body positivity and be positive about themselves. And I really want to I want to be that type of person who, if young girls or boys watch my channel, then they could see somebody talking about these things and saying, well, you don't have to be in a box. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to talk because talking is good. And I'm not really confident enough to do it. I'm just using the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. It's a really big of a mouthful name. Talking is like one of those things, like if you get to know me, I can be quite chatty and I can probably talk your ear off for a solid hour or two. But if I'm in a new situation where I don't know anybody and they're just like, people like, just mingle, talk with people, it's not that hard, I will freeze up. Like, I will not know what to talk about because I don't do small talk. I don't like small talk. I don't know how to do it. If somebody was like started talking to me about the weather or whatever is entailed in small talks, I don't really know. But like if they did that, I'd just be there going, I don't know what to talk about. Yeah, the sky's nice and blue, I guess. It doesn't, I just don't do that. If I'm gonna talk to somebody, I'm probably gonna talk to them about whole political views and really serious topics. Either that or I'll ask you about 20 questions and then forget that the questions, the answers to the questions I've asked, and then ask the same questions again because I need to record everything because I forget so easily. There we go, that's my blush. I say this in every video. I'm not going to say it in this video. To make me look more rosy cheeked. there we go, that's a good solution. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're new to this and this is like your first video that you're watching of mine, usually when I do my makeup and I put my blusher on and at the end of it I say, oh there I go, I look alive now. And I hate using that because I don't like using the fact that you have to use makeup to look alive when you just wake out of bed and you look what they would claim dead. You are technically alive because after my checked I had a heart and it was pumping blood around my body, which meant I was alive. I'm just using the Contour and Glow palette from Revolution. I tried to find this on their website the other day and I just could not find it at all because I wanted to link it in one of my other videos and I was just looking all over for it and I was like, I can't find this. Where is it? Like all this like several years ago, it's like a freebie thing when I spent too much makeup in one go. Spent too much money on makeup in one go. There we go. My English skills are superb. I'm putting these lashes on. These arrived like 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know. I talked about it in one of my videos that I'd ordered some lashes, but they're now here and I'm still learning. If these look bad, it's because they are probably bad and I don't actually know what I'm doing. We're just gonna put the glue on. I'm still using the glue that just came with it because why not? It came with it, it's part of the thing, I paid for it. Wait for that to go tacky. I feel like it's such a skill to put eyelashes on. So I did it the first time, I was like, okay, this is all sort of good. I sort of did it. I had them way too big. So I forgot to cut them to size. Then I took them off. And then I've tried it like 4 times since then and it's like gone halfway up my thing. Accidentally got eyelash glue in my eye. That was not a fun experience. Don't do that. I feel like nobody shows the struggles of putting eyelashes on. I feel like every video I watch, they just do it and it's like really nice. And I'm like staring at them going, but how did you do that? Like, and I've watched tutorials on how to do it and still I'm like, but how do you place it? How do you get it to, how much eyelash glue do you actually put on the band? What does it spill glue? That was not a big deal. Why am I singing? I don't sing. But yeah, I never see them put it on. It's like when they do it, it looks really nice. I'm just sitting there going, okay, can I have like a step by step of like where and how much? Like, yeah, it just, I need more detailed explanations because I like wait until it's tacky, but then I'm like, okay, when do I feel it? How do I know it's tacky? So if I touch it and it's still wet, then I've got glue on my hands. I think I forgot to say which ones these are. These are like Kiss lashes. They're like So Wispy and 01, I don't know. They were cheap. They were cheap and they had good reviews, so I bought them. I'm half tempted to give up on doing these. But I bought them and spent money on them, so I might as well get good at them. There we go. I now have eyelashes on because why the hell not? To finish this off, I'm just going to add some lip gloss because why not? I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss and 003 Moon. It's very nice. There we go. Shiny lips. Take off the headband. That does not look cute. There we go. Now I'm just gonna finish up with doing something with my hair because I might do a half up, half down thingy. You have just gotten ready with me and done that. Saw me struggle with my eyelashes and everything. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button. If you have any other ideas for videos, then please pop them down in the comment section below. If you want to support my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and I shall see you next time. Bye!